Okay, this is proof that I came outside today and shoveled snow. This is all the snow that we got in my neighborhood. Here we go. See? Nice and clean. All the way here to the driveway. Got a couple of mounds here. Look at all that snow. Isn't that ridiculous? Oh, you're really going to love this. Look at that mound. I have no idea how in the world that's going to go in here. And we did all of this in the driveway. See, there's my mom. There's my son. And we did manage to free the car. And there's a few of my neighbors. He freed his car. That one's not coming out anytime soon. And there you go. Proof, yes, I shoveled snow. On Super Bowl Sunday at that. All right, I'm leaving. Later.